You know, he's an actor director, and it is and he's made so much about filmmaking that it's amazing to watch him work. And he uses playback a lot, which is important when you're directing yourself. So he used that as a tool for performance, and he used it for all of us actors, saying, you know, look, you're not giving me what I need, and this is what's missing, and you can see it, which is the proof that you're not doing it. Um, I think he thinks of himself as a writer first, a director second, and an actor third. It's weird because sometimes you'll be in the middle of a scene acting with him, and you can tell the actor set up the scene on it, and then all of a sudden he like just stop and go, "You call that acting?" The director, and you know, so, oh wait,
Monica, be
yeah,
careful.
right.